Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you the person who is dreaming of owning a home on the spectacular cliff ocean front in the West End of Negril? We have here a sunlit 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house for sale. It sits on a little over an acre of land. It features an open concept kitchen leading to a spacious dining and living area downstairs, as well as a 1 bedroom with ensuite bathroom and its own patio. The louvre sliding doors open up to an almost 100 feet ocean front with a spacious pool. The first floor boasts another 4 bedrooms, two of them oceanfront with louver doors to a wide veranda encircling the front. The master bedroom offers a spacious ensuite bathroom and a separate toilet. The roof terrace, with gazebo on top of the house, invites to watch dolphins passing by and enjoy the picturesque sunsets on the cliffs. The property also contains a piece of land across the street, which could be used for planting or as an additional parking lot. This amazing piece of Negril oceanfront is waiting for the savvy investor who restores the house to its authentic appearance or gives a touch of modern architecture and interior design. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $187.8 million dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.